Welcome to today's video. We will be reading Big Little by Leslie Patricelli. Hi, my name is Gina Antrim. I'm an SLP and AAC therapist, and I have been for the past 9 years. And we are going to read our book today. And I will be providing aided language input using the Lamp Words for Life word wall poster. All right, let's get ready to go. We're going to open our story, Big and Little. But first, let's look at our front cover. I like this picture because he's riding a big elephant. And I love to see elephants when we go to the zoo. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. I like this front cover picture. All right, let's open our story. Heads are big. Our head is big. Big. You find your head. Touch it. It's a big head we have. But our toes are little. Little toes. You find your toes. They're on your feet. And I bet they are little. Our head is big, but our toes, they're little. All right, let's turn the page. Oh my gosh, just like on our front cover, there is that elephant again. Yeah, elephants are big. We know this. Elephants are big. And mice are little. I do not like mice. I feel scared whenever I see mice. They're little and they're fast. I don't like them. What about you? All right, let's turn our page and we'll read some more. Lakes are big. They're big bodies of water. Big. You usually cannot see the other side of a lake. You can't see the other side because they're so big. But mud puddles in our driveway, on the sidewalk, in a road, puddles, they're little. And just like this little boy, I like to jump in puddles. It's so much fun to make a big splash when you jump in the little puddle. Trucks are big. Honk, honk. They are big. But this little boy's tricycle, it's little. If you see it next to the truck, it is little for sure. But it's just right for us to ride on, right? Ladies are big. When you're an adult and you grow up, you get to be big. But ladybugs, the insect, they are little. They are so little that he's looking at them through a magnifying glass to make them look a little bit bigger so he can see them. I wonder, do you like to go watch and see or find insects outside? I like to find butterflies. I think they're so beautiful. What do you like to find outside? Here on our next page, trees are big. They are. They are so tall and big. And dandelions are little. They're little flowers that grow in our yard. Sometimes our moms and dads don't like that they grow in our yard. I think that trees are so fun to sit under because it's shaded, and I like to read my books under the big tree. What do you like to do outside? What do you like to do? All right, let's turn and we'll read some more. Grownups are big. Remember, we talked about that earlier. Yeah, that when you grow up and you become a grown-up, you get big. Babies, like him, like we see here, are little. When babies start out, they are little, but then they grow up and become adults who are big. Like over here. Bass drums are big. They are big. Look how much bigger they are than our little guy over here, our character. But whistles, a different type of musical instrument, they are little. So we have a big drum and a little whistle. I wonder, what kind of musical instruments do you like to play? I liked to play on a piano whenever I was younger. What do you like to play? Oh my. Birthday cakes are big. They're big. Wow, that is a lot of cake. Could you eat all of that cake? I couldn't. It would make me sick. But cupcakes, they are little. I like cupcakes. They are just right. He's taken in a deep breath so he can blow out the candles on his cake. And here, do you see the air going out? He's blowing out that little candle. The little candle on the little cupcake. Turn the page. Boats that go in the ocean and on rivers, they are big. But rubber duckies that we play with in our bath, they are little. They're little. Both go in the water Boats go in the ocean or on the river, though, because they're so big. But rubber duckies that we play with in our bath, they're little. All right, let's turn the page. The moon is big. When we look up at night and we see the moon, it's big. But sometimes in our rooms, if we don't like it to be so dark, we can have a nightlight. And our nightlight is little compared to the moon that's outside in space up in the sky. It's big. But our nightlights that we might have in our rooms are little. He has a star for his nightlight. What shape is your nightlight? My son, he has a dinosaur nightlight because he loves, I shouldn't say like, he loves dinosaurs. So he has a dinosaur nightlight. What about you? All right, let's turn. Oh, I like this page. There are more things that are big. A horse. That's an animal that is big. A rocket. Whew. That goes. Lost my space. There we go. Goes into space. It is big. A bus that we can go to school in. It's big. A skyscraper. Those really, really tall buildings that almost touch the sky, they are big. Mountains. I have seen mountains before, and it's true. They are big. A giraffe. That's one of my favorite animals to see at the zoo. It's big because of its tall neck. It's big. And over here on the orange page, we have more little things. A bee is little. A worm is little. Do you remember earlier in the book we talked about ladybugs outside that are little? And here we had two more bugs, insects. A bee and a worm are little, just like the ladybug. A binky or a pacifier that maybe our baby brother or sister uses, that's little. Or you could think about a ring pop. Have you guys ever ate those ring pop suckers or lollipops? They are little. Peas, a vegetable that we eat, they are little round vegetables. Coins, money that our mommy and daddy have, they are little. A kitten, a baby cat, it's little. And a chihuahua, even when this dog grows up to become an adult, it's still little. It's always going to be little all of its life, and that's okay. Gumdrops. There's another candy that we could eat. They are little. I wonder, can you think of anything else that is big? Like over here, big. I can think of something. A house that we live in. Our house is usually big. Yeah. Or our apartment building, wherever you live, it's usually big. I wonder, can you think of something that is little now? I can think of something else that we eat. Cheerios. Cereal? Those little Cheerios? They are little. What can you think of? It's little. All right. That is the end of our book because we reached the back of our book. We started with the front cover and now we're at the back. So it's finished. Thank you so much for reading with me today. I hope you liked it. And if you did, leave a thumbs up down below and like it. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. I would love to hear back from you guys and any feedback that you have. Thanks so much. Until next time.